Join the movement. Go all electric with Pure Electric.
Hi everyone, welcome to 5 Earl Street, Windsor, La Casa Blanca. As a structural engineer, I'm passionate about minimising embodied carbon in the structures we use, and that's why as part of our build we decided to keep all the double brick walls and single brick internal walls in the front of the house and keep as much of other materials as we possibly could. This is our daughter's bedroom, and it used to be the living room, and all of this joinery was actually moved from the spot that it used to be in the living room into this new spot so that we didn't have to waste the existing joinery. We've also reused 4 of the existing ceiling fans that we had, and all the windows at the front which we'd had installed previously, which are tilt and turn European style windows. Other existing windows such as this one in the kitchen we replaced to get better thermal performance with the same kind of European style tilt and turn windows. So now all the external doors and windows are double glazed, well sealed, as is the insulation in the place. And we've also made sure that we have plenty of natural light and natural airflow, so we don't need to be using active heating and cooling, and we also don't need to have lights turned on during the day anyway. Even one feature which we've gone with is the solar skylights in a couple of rooms downstairs, just to make sure that when the sun's shining, even in rooms without much natural light, we don't need to be turning the lights on. So let's head upstairs and look at some of the sustainability features that we've got upstairs. Our place is actually 2 stories, but with an additional roof terrace at the top. And one of the benefits of the roof terrace is that it allows airflow up through the doors to the top. So this is the living room, which faces south. As you can see, we've got nice big windows which can be opened to allow airflow. And we don't need to worry about solar going through those windows. The windows on the east, which you can see in the living room and in the study here, all have external shutter blinds which are motorized, so in the morning when it's a hot morning we can close that off, but in the afternoon we can open up and get the airflow. So there's some more reused joinery. This was actually in the original kitchen, all of this joinery, and that'll be used once this room becomes a bedroom. That'll be really useful. So into the primary bedroom / parents retreat. In here we've again got a lot of natural light, so we don't need to be turning the lights on at all during the day, and that includes a skylight which is openable, so we can get airflow through the bathroom, which was an important feature for us. So this is the main part of the parents retreat. Primary bedroom, and as you can see we've got a balcony coming off. Now this was a design feature we came up with due to overlooking requirements. We wouldn't have been able to have such big openable windows like we've got, and the door obviously, unless we had some kind of screening. So the balcony allows us to have the screening for privacy for the neighbours, but still have big openable windows to get the airflow that we need. All the new joinery is floor to ceiling, so we don't have any areas where dust can gather, and some of the existing joinery was like that as well. And again, we've got ceiling fans throughout, so that on hot days we can get good airflow. We've also got heat pump hydronic heating throughout the house. And I'll take you upstairs to the roof terrace for a sneak peek. Up there, our heat pump hot water system is up on the roof, which services the whole house, uses minimal power, and there it is. And we've got it running so that it's running during the day when all of our lovely solar panels are giving us power we need for free. maximise the amount of solar panels we can have. Thanks everyone for listening and watching. Hope you enjoyed our tour of 5 Street, Windsor, La Casa Blanca.